back. So today I have a new palette review and makeup tutorial. Now this palette, a lot of you requested me to film a tutorial or a few tutorials and a review using this palette because I guess some of you already have it, some of you want it. And the palette is the New Nude palette from Huda Beauty. Now I got this from Cult Beauty. It was quite expensive. I think it was around 50 something pounds, but yeah, today all these palettes are super expensive. I haven't opened this yet, so this is the first time. The palette looks gorgeous indeed, and there is Huda's face on it. It's like a duochrome kind of thing going on. I love this. And inside you have like a little mirror and then the plasticky face of Huda again. And this looks actually really stunning. Like, it's beautiful. Look, this is absolutely gorgeous actually. And it kind of combines all my favorite things. So pink, more like a peachy pink palette itself, lots of pink shades, more like mauve shades, and lots of these really chunky kind of glittery shimmery eyeshadows, which I usually love, so I'm excited to try this out. But yeah, once again, this is the beauty. So now let's dive into this beauty. It's so new and so nice, I don't want to touch it. So I think I will start with this shade called Conceal. Now I actually like that she also included more like an ivory whitish base for maybe lighter skin tones. You have also a nice peachy kind of color and a nicer medium kind of toned tan color, which will work probably for darker shades, you know, darker skin tones. But I like that she included actually an ivory one as well, because you can use that. I mean, if you are very, very fair, you can use that. Okay, actually, I just realized that this is a concealer. The shade Concealed is a concealer. Okay. So let me try this. It's kind of thick. It's in here. It looks okay though. I guess for eye base, I already applied my concealer. But I think it would be nice if this was more of an eyeshadow than, you know, the concealer itself. Let me actually apply just a little bit to see how it looks on the brow bone in here. It's actually a very lovely shade for my skin. So I guess I will just apply the shade Bare now. With my big Zoeva brush. This is the Zoeva 222 brush. And then I will just place this on my brow bone. Pat it. A little bit more. It's an ivory shade, but definitely has a bit, like a touch of pink. Okay, and that applied beautifully. I don't have any problems with the shade, and with the concealer it worked. So I will use this shade called Teddy. It's like a combination of brown and pink. Like a medium, very warm kind of brown with a hint of pink in it. So I will try to apply this just in the crease. So it will be my transition shade in a way. So now I guess for a bit of drama, I will use Love Bite, this shade in here. It's like a dark violet kind of shade. I feel like everybody has a Love Bite shade in their palettes or liquid lipsticks. And I'm using the 231 brush. And I will mainly just place this on the outer V. So in here and here. So just concentrate that more. Kind of pack it in here, and then I will blend this out. So because I'm creating the Hello Eye, I will use one of these shimmery eyeshadows. So let me actually just swatch all of them to see how they look like. They're very, very creamy. Now, so here are the swatches. They're all super creamy. Now you have two of these more like glittery kind of things, and they're not super creamy, and they're more like just a chunk of glitter, but they're still quite pretty anyway. And then this is the more like shimmery eyeshadow without any kind of, you know, flakes of glitter in it. And they all look stunning. I'm not sure about the two glitters. I don't know how you can use those. Maybe just on top of the concealer. But these are all gorgeous. So now I will just take a little bit of this concealer and I'll try to create that halo eye makeup scheme. And then on top I will apply a shimmery eyeshadow. So now I will just apply my eyeliner. This is a Physicians Formula Line Boosting Eyeliner with Lash Serum. So like a 2-in-1, and I absolutely love it. It's in black, and I like to use this as a pen. Usually I don't like pen eyeliners, but this one is really, really So now let's move on to the face. I will actually apply my concealer first. And I'm using the same Too Faced concealer. This is actually a bit darker for me at the moment, a bit too yellowish I would say, but it corrects really well my discoloration here. So if I use the foundation on top, everything will look good. As a foundation I will be using my NARS Radiant Creamy Longwear Foundation, and I will just pop this all over and then blend it with my beauty blender, and I do apply quite a lot of this as well. So I'm now applying a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Amber. Of my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder. So this is how it looks like. And I just apply this on my T-zone mostly. And then on top I will apply this blush from Essence, which is Rose Me Up. So to finish the eyes, I think I will just use, well, the same shades, because I don't know. Yeah, this is, you know, more like a pinky kind of palette, nude palette, so you don't have any other pops of colors that I could probably use, you know, underneath to have a contrast. So I will stick with the same shades, this one, and then Love Bite, this violet-y one, to just have the same, you know, darkness underneath the eyes as well. And I'm using Zoeva 231 brush that I used for applying the Love Bite shade, because this is perfect also for underneath the eyes. Also, I will be using the waterline, this Kiko Color Kayal, in this gorgeous like turquoisey kind of color. And now as a mascara I'm using my NARS Climax mascara, which is my favorite at the moment. As a highlighter, I'm using my Butter highlighter from Physicians Formula in Pearl. Now for my lips, to finish the look, I do have this kit from Lime Crime. I think I will definitely buy more because this is just so cute. And you have a mini lip pencil and a mini gloss. I really like the Lime Crime lip pencils. Now the lip pencil is in Drew and Hot Chocolate lip gloss. And I decided to wear this because it's a gorgeous, like a soft, more of a darker nude, but like a soft chocolatey, a bit mauvey kind of color. So let's see how this looks. So, the makeup is done. I really love it. So the final verdict, all the shades that I used blended beautifully, applied beautifully. I don't have any kind of problems with this palette whatsoever right now. And I swatched the other matte shades and they feel the same, like the ones that I used. The color payoff is the same, the texture is the same. These two shades, I'm not sure how I can use these, but maybe I will try in the future. I'm not really sure about these two, I mean, in terms of how these will perform. But I guess if you have a sticky base underneath, then these glitters will work perfectly. They're a bit messy, but they're cute. Yeah, they're nice. If you are doing something for maybe New Year's Eve or Christmas, really sparkly with some glitter. Now, in terms of color combinations, I still believe that, you know, because this is so pinky, so mauvey, you will still end up having a pinky mauvey eye makeup look every time you use this palette, only this palette. However, if you don't mind this, why not? I don't have anything like this in my collection. A lot of people compare this with the Cherry palette from Urban Decay. I don't have that, and to be honest, this kind of looks more interesting for me than that palette, so this is why I got it. And I'm very excited to use all the shades in here. I'm also really excited to use this one, which looks like more of a olivey green kind of shimmery shade, but when I swatch this, it's a bit more on the brownie side, so I was quite surprised. So I'm excited to play with this palette. It looks absolutely amazing. Quality, everything is in here, so yeah, this is a good palette in my opinion. So that was it for the review. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial as well. Let me know if you have this palette, if you tried it, how it performs for you. Yeah, that's all. Have a lovely day. Bye.